Nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord, nerves, all of the above. Answer: all of the above. Explanation: the brain and the spinal cord, along with the nerves, constitute the nerve system. Which of the following statement is correct about cerebellum? It regulates the muscular movement of locomotion. It is a part of brain. Both A and B. Neither A nor B. Answer: both A and B. Explanation: cerebellum consists of large mass having ridges and furrows, suited above and behind the medulla and attached to cerebellum. It regulated muscular movement for locomotion. It is part of brain. Which nerves are attached to the brain and emerge from the skull? Carnival nerves, spinal nerves, thoracic nerves, scrotal nerves. Answer: carnival nerves. Explanation: carnival nerves are attached to the brain and emerged from the skull. Name the system that controls every activity that you do. Nerve system, exocrine system, endocrine system, respiratory system. Answer: nerve system. Explanation: in vertebrates, nerve system consists of two main parts: central nerve system and peripheral nerve system. CNS consists of brain and spinal cord, wherever PNS consists of nerves. We can say that brain is the boss of our body. It's controlled everything that you do. What is the unit of nerve system? Brain, spinal cord, neurons, nerves. Answer: neuron. Explanation: the unit which make up the nerve system are called nerve cells or neurons. Therefore, neuron is a functional and structural unit of nerve system. Neuron is the largest cell in the body. A microscopic gap between the pair of adjacent neuron over which nerves impulse pass when going from one neuron to the next is called neurotransmitter, synapse, axon, none of the above. Answer: synapse. Explanation: a microscopic gap between the pair of adjacent neuron over which nerves impulse pass when going from one neuron to the next is called synapse. In our body, involuntary actions are controlled by medulla in hindbrain, medulla in forebrain, medulla in spinal cord, medulla in midbrain. Answer: medulla in hindbrain. Explanation: medulla in hindbrain controls the involuntary actions of our body. Those reflex actions which involve brain are called stimulus, cerebral reflexes, spinal reflexes, reflex arcs. Answer: cerebral reflexes. Explanation: those reflex actions which involve brain are called cerebral reflexes. They occur in the organ present in the head because these organs are directly connected to the brain. Pons, cerebellum, and medulla are part of which brain? Forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain, none of the above. Answer: hindbrain. Explanation: the brain is broadly divided into three regions: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. The forebrain mainly consists of cerebellum. The midbrain does not have any further division. The hindbrain consists of three centers called pons, cerebellum, and medulla. Spinal cord originated from which part of brain? Cerebellum, medulla, pons, cerebrum. Answer: medulla. Explanation: from medulla spinal cord originates. Medulla controls various involuntary actions such as heartbeat, breathing, blood pressure, and peristaltic movement of alimentary canal. Medulla is also controlling center of reflex such as swallowing, coughing, sneezing, secretion of saliva, and vomiting. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.